Hey, what is up, everybody? Dalton with Byrider Madison. Wanted to make a video for you. Obviously, in my opinion, best time of the year is here, fall time. A lot of outdoor stuff going on, and a lot of people's favorite sport is going on, football. Just wanted to say, with football going on, obviously a lot of folks maybe going to games, stuff like that, whether it's, obviously professional NFL, whether it's college, whether it's high school sports, a lot of kids playing football. Definitely want to try and help you get into a nicer, newer vehicle, especially for going to those events. Whether you're taking, kids out to them, or, going tailgate and stuff like that, got to get stuff to the tailgate to have fun. We definitely want to help you. Just because credit's not the greatest maybe for you doesn't mean you can't, go to those activities. We definitely want to have you have a good time at those events. And we want to help you get there in style as well. So if you are looking for a vehicle, credit's not the greatest. We work with all sorts of credit scores, not really worried about it. We definitely want to try and help you. Give me a call, 608-663-1213. Definitely want to see about getting you into something nicer, newer with a warranty, build that credit up. Once again, Dalton Byrider Madison. Go Packers. Bye.